Hello everyone. Hexdeck here. I think we're going to try tonight to add longbow, if possible. It's finally time to start adding more and more minions, units, troops, whatever you want to call them to this thing. Yeah, so I'm just going to jump right into it. I'm going to start adding classes and all the fun stuff. So instead of a archer minion, we're gonna have a longbow minionity. You know what? I'm gonna rename that. It doesn't need to have minionity on it anymore. Kind of everything is a minion to me in this game. That's why I originally put that on the archer name, but let's not put that here. So unit types, let's go there, and we're gonna have a longbowman. Where'd it go? I'm gonna take this and put it back into here. We're gonna keep the same attack types, right? We're gonna modify down in here what the attributes will become for that, but we'll do that a little bit later on. We first need to get everything else changed. Skeleton sounds and all that. We're gonna have attributes, but we need to set up this longbowman appropriately. So let's find where we're using these unit types everywhere. So call hierarchy. Right, so we'll need it like that. So let's go for, say, pikeman. So in this class, we need a reference for what it's gonna look like or whatever. Item that will render on the screen. So and gosh, I don't have a different bow to put here. So we're gonna keep it a bow for now, but maybe we'll create a custom item for it that'll behave like a bow. I'm not sure yet. So that's one piece. The other piece is right. Okay, we're good. So longbowman should now have its two pieces. Yep. So longbowman. What else do we need to change? We need to get a config set up for them. For their attributes. Grant my request. I wanna feel your heartbeat against my chest. Come fly with me, angel. Let our story begin. Copy this. Go. I wanna feel every little bit of your sunburned skin. I just found out I got a new desire. You're telling me I cannot get any higher. But we're just converting from a string into when my love searching soul is on fire. It doesn't like that one, so won't you come closer? You know it's alright. Won't you come closer, baby? Stay with me tonight. This range. Okay, so then we also need one down here. Crazy, hazy land. We actually let's get away from this bar. Baby, take my hand. We don't have to walk that far to get to my home place. I wanna show you something more. Let's reach out for a place where we've never been before. Don't need to hesitate, cause it's getting late. The night is warm and sweet. We're soaking from the heat. Let's go, just you and me. We can set us free tonight. So won't you come closer? Jump all over the place, hopefully. There we go. You know it's alright. Won't you come closer, baby? Stay with me tonight. So won't you come closer? let's give him a little bit more health. 15 health. Be on par with our minion then. Don't remember the order exactly. His follow range is going to be 24 still, I believe. I don't think I want to put that higher for any of them, because of lag. However, attack damage, we're going to bump that up. Let's give it a 50% increase over the regular guy. 4.5. I don't know if that's going to have a direct impact on these guys. We'll try it though. Their movement speed, let's bump them down ever so slightly. 0.28, right? So these guys are going to be slow moving, long range, heavy hitting. That's the idea at least. So now we got longbowmen and attribute string set up. We can copy that back out, go back to our longbowman class, and we can change this piece over to say and that then sets his attributes from read in a string with a list of how much upgraded values, put that into a class that we use. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. Set the range of the bow. We were just interesting until something better came along. Also bump up and see what this class has for its max attack distance. It is currently at 15. So let's bump that up. Louder than me? Yeah. Let's bump that up. I am significantly quieter, aren't I? Let's try adjusting this down. How's that? And thank you for telling me that, Zach. Or is it just that my mic is too quiet? That very well could be it. One moment. Open sound settings. Yeah, see, that's not quite right. I need sound devices. I hate the new Windows stuff. Device properties, there we go. Volume's all the way up. It's all the way up. Is it better now or not? I love how I don't change anything and then all of a sudden everything starts breaking anyway. Mac attacks distance is getting squared. I'm checking to see if the delta is 0, which is set by the distance to the unit. Yeah, so if we increase that, cool. Hopefully you can still hear the music at all. Oops. Skip the song. And the stream dies. Yeah, so if we increase that, cool. Huh. I'm still really quiet on my side. How's that? Is that like clipping all the time now? Yeah. What the heck? Blah 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 blah. Huh. I'm still really quiet on my side. How's that? Is that like clipping all the time? Open sounds. No. Open volume mixer. Blah 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 blah. It's probably that Chrome setting there. 1 second. Blah blah blah. Blah blah. It's probably that Chrome setting there. There we go. Back to music. Hey, Devil. So if I go to 30, that's all the way up. Let's do 20 for the range. Really good, man. We released a version of it already on CurseForge. And I'm moving right into the next stuff that needs to be added to it. Adjust my mic again. I'm clipping too much. If it sounds distorted, like I'm too loud, let me know, guys, because I was adjusting settings and it tends to do that. Okay, so in theory, it should try and shoot further now. Whether or not you'll have any level of accuracy is another thing, though. I'm gonna keep pulling down the volume on this till I get it to where I like it. Yeah, there we go. So we need to get this guy actually rendering and all of that fun stuff. So we're going to continue on with the rest of these setups. So under the client renderer, got this archer minion render. Let's go ahead and do another one for longbowman. We're going to keep the same textures for the moment. We want a different model though. So where's our models at? Okay, so this is where we could say long bowman entity. And then in there, this is a new unit. This will be the entity. Long bowman model. And then we got to pass in the model. Model. Things happy there. Minion here. That should be it. Okay, now we need to initialize the entity in mod entities. So down here. Oh, the sounds for the music went way back up, didn't it? Is that better? Down here. Oh, the sounds for the music went way back up, didn't it? Did you guys even hear the music? You can't, can you? I think I see what the problem was before. Let's try that. Did you guys even hear the music? You can't, can you? I think I see what the problem was before. No, it's echoing for the moment while I try and listen to. Let's try that. What's it gonna do here? Did you guys even hear the music? You can't, can you? I think I see what the problem was before. No, it's echoing for the moment while I try and listen to. What's it gonna do here? Did you guys even hear the music? I want to go back to the last song anyway. It's a very different song. What's wrong with this name? Oh, it's not set up. Longbowman. There we go. Now I've got it registered. So then down here we need to grab this and change it to be longbow. Nope. Okay, that should register the mob. And then in our proxy, client proxy, we need to register the render for the mob. Longbowman entity Longbowman render. In theory, that's it. I should add a new mob to the game. It won't work properly. It's not set up in the GUI at all. It's something you can buy. There's no research for it. So we still got a lot to do. What I want to do is try and fight a series of longbowmen versus a series of bowmen and see if that range did really increase or not. Because that'll tell me a lot about what I need to do next. So let me set up my summon command here on my, I guess I can share with this screen, it's not a big deal. So archer minion, and we're gonna put not a lance in his hand, but a Minecraft bow. Because he actually won't fire without a bow. And let's do the same, and this will be a longbowman. There we go. Boop. Boop. Okay, get our world ready. Okay, blue, ready, start. Let's just go over here. Away from things, hopefully. There we go. And paste in. Summon a minion. Okay. And let's put in the command to summon. That's the idea. That's what I want them to have. I want them to have a little bit more range. And also, what's the word? More damage. Let's summon, say, a cow. Okay, and I'm going to select both of you. Notice that they show up as two different units up here because they are different types. And tell the longbowman to shoot this guy. Okay, he's shooting from pretty far away. I'd say probably a 50% miss rate, but that's because he is shooting from so far away and the cow was moving pretty quick there once he got upset, I'll call it. So with this guy, he's definitely trying to get closer in, it seems like it. Let's set up more of a scientific test. We can control both of these guys, so let's get them both over here like this. Let's see which one stands where. That's our bowman. This guy definitely is slower. Just how much longer he took to get there. Our longbowman. So, let's get rid of the selections on both of them. Tell this guy to go to that specific block. And set up a wall here. A little bit of a test range, if you will. Come on, get over. You can't get over, can you? Okay, come over here. Now get over to there, maybe. Nope, okay. It's gonna be too light. So let's see. I need some way to keep them back somehow. I mean, that'll do it, but I don't know if he's going to be able to hit a cow. G, select only you. Can you hit the cow? The cow walked away. Dang it. I just don't want them walking forward, basically. Summon the cow. You can't see it to hit it. Cool. I'll let you in the same thing. You're both going to do that because derps. Okay. What if I put down, say, iron bars? Like that, and then put a thing over top. Cal, you're in a frickin' thing. You could kill me, Cal. Still won't shoot at him. No line of sight, huh? Or no, you're shooting. You're just being dumb and can't succeed. Okay. So slabs. What about slabs? If this doesn't work, I've just had a brilliant idea that will work. Aid. There we go, that works. So if we do that, and what if we have this deal here? Can the cow get out of that? Oh, forget it. Forget it, forget it all. Oh, you're right, we do have a hold position. You, sir, are a genius. The only problem with hold position is they'll start shooting before they should be able to hit, I've seen. So what I'm going to do now is let's get this guy up there instead. Up on a pillar, please. Boop, 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 boop. Eventually I'll place these in the right spot. There we go. G, select you. Come up here, please. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. There, now they have to stay up there. And just to make sure they don't fall off the back, we'll put some rails up here. Because they will try and strafe around or whatever, right? I can't get one behind that guy or that guy because they're too close to the edge. Fine. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 blocks away. Summon a cow. Summon a cow. Okay, longbowman, can you hit him? You're a derp, you jump. Why? Oh. How can I test these guys if they're this stupid? Come down here. Now he won't come down now, but if I tell him to attack something, you gonna go for it now? No, the other guy's just extra dumb, huh? Okay, so you're a guy, you're a little guy. Go there, both of you. Hold position there. I think our new guy's on the left still. Summon minion. You gotta hold your own, boys. Okay, he's not gonna attack, whatever. Who shot? I didn't see it. Dang it. It's both of them shooting now. Hey, he evened them up for me. They're both shooting. I don't know, can anybody tell? Is one shooting further than the other? Let's turn him sideways. So this is our new guy still. Let's put our minion in. The same thing you did, but use egg instead of a command for the cow. What good's that gonna do me? I mean, it's still gonna give me a cow, yeah. But I have to tell them to attack the cow, that's the only thing, so they go into a different mode. Although they're still in their hold position command. They're both shooting him out that far, and they both are going about the same distance. Huh. It could very well be the longbowman's... when he shoots, it might be that he can see it to try and attack further away, but his shoot command is somehow limiting it. So let me look at this, the distance factor. What's that? That's passed in from the AI call. So let's go to the AI call. Where's the attack command? Get arrow velocity from the bow item. The bow item is the instance of a bow, okay? It's what's in their hand. And to get arrow velocity, and that's what goes to the distance factor? Oh, well that's simple. We're gonna add a new bow anyway. Let's go ahead and add a new bow to the game and make it so that this bow has a faster velocity. Because this is on bow item. We're good to go, guys, I think. Oh, the cow won't suffocate, yeah. So let's extend bow item on our new item. So item, we got all these other weapons, why not, right? So new, dang it. Just wanted to see, like, lance, what extending here, just item, cool. So if we go new, class, long bow, and its super class is going to be bow item, finish, and I do this so it figures out which one it is. There should be some method we need to override, which is that, and when we do pike item, we're not passing in a property because we're setting it all within it. So we're going to do these same two things on our bow and not call that. Now we need to set our item name, longbow. Longbow item. We can say that, put that on our longbow, and then whatever that method was on this that we needed to override, the velocity, we will override. Remove annotation Y. But it is on the super type. Wait. I need to save this. That'll update this line, so that's not an error message. Where at in the hierarchy is this? Oh, it's because it's static. Dang it. I didn't realize it was static before. There's really not much we can do about that one, I don't think. If if that's the case. Other than... Let's see. So in our AI, we're using vanilla AIs though. Crap. Ranged bow attack is an instance of a bow item. And that bow item is then used to get the air velocity. Dang. Had this been set up differently, it could have called on the actual subclass then. So this is always going to call that specific one. I believe. We'll test it. I could be completely wrong how it works, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to work the way I want. So we'll put a breakpoint in here that'll tell us. So that's taking the charge amount, dividing it by 20, giving us some value. That value is squared and then added to 2 times itself and divided by 3. If that's greater than 1, then it equals 1. So we could modify this portion of it to allow it to go higher than 1. So let's just leave a breakpoint there and see what happens. We need to restart the game here. We also need to, I guess, register this item. That would certainly help. So mod items. There's our pike. Let's say longbow. There we go. And that's the only place for that one, so we're using the pike instead. Let's grab that. And we're registering it down here. Register item, event, and then mod items. Got that. Yeah, and then I call the register event. Okay. So let's run it, see what we get, see if we have an item, see if the item can shoot further or calls that specific method. It should work also when I shoot it, in theory. So maybe we can do some more specific test with that. You know, I can control exactly when I want to shoot. I can control how much I charge it, so we can get a feel for what the charging does. Excuse me. Like, I definitely want this thing to feel like it's got some added bonus to it, right? I don't want it to be just like a 10% more. Let's check the creative menu here, because we should have a longbow item, no texture of course, that fills my entire screen that we can shoot. Cool. So it didn't actually call this when we did it. So that's interesting. So that means potentially even the player's call is to the one on the item itself. On player stopped using. Okay, so it gets the arrow velocity from the bow item itself. Which that is static still. And then in the tick of the AI code. Okay, so let's summon in our guy with our new item here. If I look up the item name, give tech stack TSRTS longbow item. There we go. That's what I want. Give our longbowman the longbow in my little notepad that's got all these summon commands. There's our guy holding a new item. What happens when you go to shoot at that guy? Come on. Come with me. Actually, I got a spawn egg here. That's not spawning. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it, sir. He ain't doing nothing. Just look at her AI. Figure out why. Oop. She's challenging the cow to a dance-off. That's amazing. Let's check that call. And is his main hand the one we want? Watch. It is set to true, so this would be true then. So that's going to return back up to should execute. And that should say true. Okay, so let's see. Is there something else checking for a bow? Let's check this call on our longbowman. The attack, because I might have had something specific to get the finds the ammo with a projectile helper with items.bow. So it's not what he's got. So mod items, longbow. Don't know if that's gonna fix it. Is he still having a dance off? Code's paused. He's still having a dance off. I don't think he's winning either. Khaled's wanting nothing to do with it. Okay, oh, here it is. If the main item is item bow. So we need to change that to mod items. Longbow. Why is it airing off? I know you're a valid class because I'm using you up above. The heck? Oh. That was the instance of it instead of the class that it should have been. Longbow item, or bow item. It's a longbow. Why are we casting that? Abstract arrow entity. Oh, it's casting that portion of it. So it's getting the bow's call of custom arrow. Okay. Anything else? I don't see any words bow anywhere, not visually. Here, get off of your target. Hey, you're doing circles now, cool. The heck, man? Get off your target. There we go. Now go for your target. Now he's circling pretty far away. But is he circling further than the other guy? Let's have them to have a dance off together. We'll get over here eventually. There he is. The cow is outrunning you. Come on, man. Yeah, I wouldn't say they're further away from each other. Okay, let's get that guy to stop. Or we lose our cow altogether. Guys, stop. Stop, stop. Hello. Come here. Ignore him. He is not your enemy. He just goes right back to shooting at him. None of the other guys behave that way when you tell them to retreat. They don't go back to their last target, do they? I thought I cleared your target when you did that. Here, come here. You're gonna hold ground right there. Make you stay put that way. Is he just try and shoot? Holy crap. He really wants that cow, man. Okay, let's see if this is even getting called on our longbowman. It's not. Let's get a closer cow. Shut up. Oh, of course I put it in front of him. Let's grab just the guy we want. Tell him to attack this. Nothing. Is it because he's trying to back up too much? Yeah. Well, I think I need to stop the stream here, guys. Unfortunately, my stomach is not doing well. And, yeah. So, this is going to be a short one. I'm going to try and figure this out once I'm done. And I guess I'll let you guys know in the Discord. Thanks for stopping by. Sorry I had to cut it short. Something's not agreeing with me, though. Bye.